VHT Nightshades Tinting Spray.
Alright, ready, set, go!
Alright, we're going to be tinting these taillights. Don't they look nice and fresh and shiny? Yep, that's them when they were stock, and they were a very bright red. So video starts here. I used Krylon Dual, some type of clear coat for plastic and outdoor use, and then obviously the VHT Nightshade Spray, which is basically called taillight tint. Some people use it on their headlights. Now here's how I taped up the Tundra taillights. I kept that white portion. I took my time with this. It honestly took like an hour or two for everything to get taped up. I just used painter's tape, plastic bags cut. I also do tape up the third taillight. And for this spray, I sanded down first with like 1,000 grit, then I sanded with 2,000 grit wet sand, cleaned it off twice, had everything prepped, sprayed VHT, 3 coats, checked it, made sure. Then I think I did a light fourth for the darkness of the level that you'll see in this video. Then after that, I think I went back and 2K wet sanded that down, and then went on to apply 3 coats of the Krylon clear coat outdoor spray paint. And later on, I did sand that back down a bunch, re-tint, re-clear coat, and everything. Again, because I didn't like the way it turned out matte. But that's enough of me talking. Now you'll see the actual audio of the clips here.
Yeah, cat. Yeah. Still visible. 4 coats, and still actually, I mean, not completely blacked out still, even, like, you see it there? Not completely blacked the F out. Like, if I did 2 more coats, it'd be cray-cray. But I think it's the spot where I want it with the 4. Yeah, it's gonna look real nice, because it's not insane, but it's like black. But it's not like black. And you can still see, like, pretty good, I'd say. Yeah, I'd say you can still see it pretty good. I don't like the way that this one turned out, actually. I fucking oversprayed right there. But it's hardly noticeable, and it might just come off with wax and water. It might just be like a blend over. But the top's done. And it's like, I don't know, it's like that, but I might redo them someday or just buy like really nice taillights. But here's the other one. So that's what it like came out as with the so I don't know, we'll see how they do. I mean, I'm gonna leave it for a while, and then yeah, maybe I'll change them out or something, I don't know. Actually, not too bad. And a lot of light still goes through. Yeah. They're like semi-matte, semi-gloss, not as glossy as the car, which is kind of a downfall. That looks like red on the bottom and center and stuff, but it's just because of the curvature, which is kind of hard to explain, I guess, but there's more reflectors and stuff in the center of it too. Yeah, I kind of like it. I'm gonna rock that for a while until I actually order like some aftermarket.
All right, so here is where you'll get to see what I had talked about, where I redid everything basically. Yeah, 2K sanded it down, wet sand, added a little bit more
It's trash day.
VHT, resanded that back down, went back and redid all the clear coat much, much better. I used a different clear coat, I think. That's what it was, guys. Yeah, so sorry if I'm like
Remember that kid?
bringing you onto the wrong clear coat. Yeah, I went back and got a completely different clear coat and redid it, and that's what it turned out to look like. I didn't apply wax yet in this video, but I do after that to make it even shinier and better for weather protection.
So this is what it looks like at night. Huh?
Weirdest color apartments.
Green, gray, and white.
Checkerboards.
It's supposed to be like modern, like hipster and Scientology.
Contemporary.
Yeah, exactly. Can you go turn the four-way flashes off for me?
You don't like those?
And then can you turn off the car? And then pull out the key and come out?